Walmart family mobile activation problems often stem from SIM eSIM provisioning or account setup errors. Let's address how to fix these issues. First, ensure your device is compatible with Walmart Family Mobile, especially for eSIMs. Check IMEI on their site. For SIM cards, ensure it's properly inserted and unlocked. A common fix is power cycling your device. For eSIMs, ensure a stable internet connection. Verify your account details like your PIN, billing zip code, and IMEI are correct. Double check that you've topped up your account with at least $10. Avoid using VPNs during activation, as they can interfere with provisioning. If problems persist, reset your network settings. Still no luck? Contact Walmart Family Mobile Support at 1-888-378-9583. Remember, there's a $1 activation fee, and failed activations aren't usually refunded unless the issue is on their end. eSIMs are software-based SIM cards downloaded directly to your device, requiring a QR code scan for activation. Physical SIMs are traditional cards that need to be inserted into the device. For eSIM activation, you scan a QR code like this one. For physical SIMs, you insert the card as shown here. Always use a backup internet connection during setup to avoid issues. By 2025, eSIM activations have significantly increased by 40% year over year, driven by smartphone manufacturers removing physical SIM slots from their devices. Expect AI-driven activations in the future, with AI diagnosing issues via app scans, which will resolve common user errors and improve activation success rates. However, challenges remain, including compatibility issues with devices and the need for digital literacy. While eSIMs offer convenience, physical SIMs are often more reliable for now. The future may bring seamless activations, but current users should prioritize basic troubleshooting and account verification to avoid issues. For complex issues like outdated IMEI registries, contacting Straight Talk support for manual overrides is recommended.